Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this week is a bit different as you can see because I'm on the road, so I'm not in studio this week. I'm in Jamaica. And so today I want to talk about something that I'm very passionate about, and that is made in Jamaica. So as a Jamaican living in the diaspora, living in Canada, one of the things, when I go to the supermarket as a Jamaican and I go in the supermarket, the Caribbean section, and you see made in Jamaica and you see all the products that you identify with from when you are in Jamaica. It just gives you a sense of you feel like at home. You're in the diaspora. Sometimes you get homesick, whether you're in the United Kingdom, in America, or in Canada. You feel a bit homesick and you're like, food is one of the things that makes you feel at home more than anything else. But one of the things I've realized over the years is that a lot of the products that I come across in Canada with Jamaican products, with Jamaican flag, product of Jamaica, they're not actually made in Jamaica. When you start looking on the fine print, you see that some of them were made in Canada. They still have the Jamaican flag on them, and they're made in different places. So you're like, man, you just felt like bamboozled. So being in Jamaica now, I'm like, when I go to Jamaica, I'm going to make sure that everything that I'm having is authentic Jamaican food as much as possible. But I was extremely shocked when I went into the supermarket. My daughter and I went into the supermarket and we went and we picked up a bunch of stuff. Everything we picked up was Jamaican. And when we got home, we picked up some snack and stuff like that. Some of the companies that we know, traditional Jamaican companies that have been around for decades since I was a child. And to my surprise, my daughter was reading the package and it said package in Jamaica, but product of one was product of Ecuador, product of Colombia. So I'm like, what is going on in Jamaica? Does Jamaica make anything anymore? Is there anything that's really made in Jamaica anymore? Because a lot of the stuff that we've seen with our Jamaican, and as I said, I see it a lot in the diaspora, I see it in Canada, I see it in America. But to come to Jamaica now and to see products that I grew up on and to see that it's now saying package in Jamaica, but what is inside the package is from Ecuador, it's from Dominican Republic, it's from different places. It's really disheartening to me. So my question is, what is made in Jamaica anymore? And sound off in the comment section if you are a Jamaican that live in the diaspora and you visited Jamaica and you have the same experience. Look on the package and you see something that is normally traditional Jamaican. And when you read the fine print, you realize that yes, it is packaged here in Jamaica, but it's not actually a product of Jamaica anymore. And one of the things, because even in Canada, like a lot of times you go to the Caribbean supermarket and you see like Jamaican mangoes. You see the big mangoes with the Jamaican flag on it. And you're like, I know mangoes. I'm from Jamaica. This is not Jamaican mango. This looks like something from Guatemala or Honduras or somewhere. The flavor, when you taste it, you're like, this is definitely not Jamaican. So I don't know what is going on in Jamaica, why things are not made in Jamaica anymore. I know the cost of energy is one of the things that people talk about a lot. That energy cost is through the roof. So a lot of companies that were in Jamaica, they leave because of the energy cost. So maybe that is what's happening, but it is very disappointing, like as a Jamaican, to come back home to Jamaica and to try to get authentic Jamaican stuff. And when you look on the package, you see package in Jamaica, but it's made somewhere else. So guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know. Have you had this experience visiting Jamaica? Have you ever been disappointed, seen a package, think it's Jamaican, but it's not? Let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.